buddy. He's going for it. Babe, go get a safety pin. Hurry up, please.
I don't
won't get hurt.
I don't have a safety pin. He's a tiger. This is our new little ferret. Bought on August 28th, 2009.
Here's video of it.
Yes. Why? Where is he? Come here, buddy. We have yet to name him. He's in a very playful mood right now. He's trying to escape. What you doing, buddy? He's like, I want to get in my hammock. Oh, timber.
Give me something better.
Should we use steel?
No, it's because it's just gonna break it off. You say it's not gonna hold his body weight. It's because he's too paper.
What are you doing?
Oh, he found a way in.
There you go.
Oh, come on, climb.
Come on, fat boy.
Winter's heavy. You almost got it.
Oh my god.
Poor buddy.
He's so fat.
I need something better. Can you go find me something, please?